and everything is lit pretty nicely. And then of course you have flicker, like if you're riding a bicycle night or daytime. Victoper Rechargeable Headlamp 6000 High Lumen Bright Zoomable Headlamp. 5 modes: LED headlight with red light for adults, kids, waterproof headlight, flashlight for outdoor, running, hunting, hiking, camping, biking, you name it. So let's open this bad boy up, give you a nice close-up look at the product. The unit's nicely packed, comes with an instruction manual and a quick guide. It's important to read this quick guide because your batteries are wrapped inside. If your unit does not work, you're going to find out that you need to take that plastic cellophane off. 4,000 lumens, 6,000 lumens total with 5 modes. You get up to 7 to 8 hours of runtime, depending on the light you use, and you get the micro cable that plugs into the back of the unit that is covered by a port door. For your first time, please don't just plug it into the charger like so, because it will show a green light. Lift up the back of the door that's held on by a gold ring, and you'll get your batteries out. You'll break the cellophane off. It's a 2200 18650 3.7 volt battery. You're going to place in your batteries, and you're going to reclose your cover. For your first time, you're going to open up your cover and correctly match the plug, and you're going to charge the unit, and it will show a red light and turn green when fully charged. Additional batteries can be purchased so you can have longer lasting runtime, especially when you're out and about in the wilderness. These straps are adjustable from the front and the sides, and they simply go on with the battery towards the back. I wear glasses. It doesn't interfere. It is on nice and comfortable, and I need to just basically make this a little tighter for my needs. And that fits just beautiful. Now I'm going to turn the unit on. As you can see, it's not that hard to get to. For the first time, if you don't know about the red light, it's a long press once again. And if you long press it again, it just simply will stay on. You have to short press it to go off. There's the adjustment. If you like to go into caves, camping outside and need your hands free, working on a car during the day, working down in your basement doing electrical work at the fuse panel, anything that you need a light to go into a closet, this product may be right for you. If you like to bike ride at nighttime and you want some safety, or if you're on a dark road and you don't have a light and you want to flash somebody down, there's a lot these lights can do. It is dark by the hole over here. I need to simply just narrow my beam down. You can see all the little dashes of the LEDs just about. And if I want to get a real wide stance of the light so I can see, and if that's not enough light or too much, then I have a spotlight of the 2 lights. And if I want more light, like so, and there's the flicker, and if I long press from the flicker to the red, I can still adjust the beam down to a nice square. Now I can widen the beam up. The wires on the side, nice little coil for stretch, very well designed. It is not waterproof 100% of the back, but the front will be definitely more waterproof than the back. And of course, you could change batteries out and have a spare pack of batteries in your pocket in case you need to have a longer run time. It takes a number of hours to charge the battery, and I hope this product, what you're looking for in a headlamp, will be right for you. So check out the headlamp, and I hope you enjoy your product. high beam. As we adjust, you can see the angle narrow down and square onto the tree, and that is just about focus. It doesn't go super far, but you can see it on the trees all the way out there. We press in the next one, and it is the two outer ones. And you could adjust all you want, nothing's going to happen. And then when you press the button again, and you have it on the widest, then everything is lit pretty nicely. And then of course you have flicker, like if you're riding a bicycle at night or daytime.